Hi everyone, TechSphere here, and this is how you can insert both your SIM card and your SD card into your Samsung Galaxy S10, S10e, or S10 Plus. To get started, you will need a SIM ejection tool. A paperclip will often work, but you can also use the SIM ejection tool that should be inside of the documentation that you found with your Galaxy S10, S10e, or S10 Plus. Now you go to the top of the phone and you will find likely two pins. One will be next to a cellular antenna line. You're going to want to use that one, and you're going to poke in the SIM ejection tool until you can pop out the tray. It should be the one that obviously has a tray connected to it. Once that is out, you'll pull it out and you will see two slots. The larger is for the SD card, which you can very simply put in the SD card face up, and the other is for your SIM card, which you also put in the SIM card face up. Making sure that they are both flush inside the tray, you can slide it back inside the phone and you're good to go. If you ever want to remove the SD card, you can play it safe by going into your storage settings on your phone and then unmounting the SD card. If you want to take either of them out, you just reverse these steps, and it is as simple as that. Leave any questions or comments down in the comment section below, and make sure to leave a like and subscribe if this video helped.